Our days in Simplicity Academy. Introduction to Urban Hydroponics Farming. Dito, in-explain nila ang lahat tungkol sa hydroponics na kinukuha namin. Yan with morning Zumba. Consistent yan everyday. Ginagawa namin yan. Hindi ka exempted dyan kahit mahihain ka. Ayan, greenhouse tour. Kung saan ipinakita nila sa amin ang itsura ng isang hydroponics farm sa loob ng greenhouse. Yan, sobrang ganda niyan. Grabe, amis na amis talaga kami dyan. Una, sobrang ganda. At yan, epal yan. Pastay dyan. Eto, transplant demonstration by Ma'am Andrea. Well, dito, in-explain niya sa amin kung paano mag-transplant ng seedling sa net pot. Preparing of growing media by Sir Renny J. Boy. Yan. Ayan, pine-prepare niya na yung gagamitin naming growing media. And mixing growing media. At ito naman, sowing seeds. Ayan, sinosow na namin pagkatapos. Labeling time. Ayan, kung saan nilalagyan namin ng label para alam namin kung kailan namin siya ita-transplant at kung ano yung name ng buto. Okay, ito, transfer seedling to NFT. Bali, tina-transfer na namin dito yung seedling sa NFT system para magtuloy-tuloy na yung paglaki niya. Ito, harvesting, kung saan ipinaranas sa amin kung paano mag-harvest ng mint, lettuce at yung mga herbs syempre. Ayan, si Sir Rex with the team. Grabe, napakasipag talaga oh. Ito, sorting lettuce kung saan pinagpipilian pa namin yung mga reject na lettuce. Dun sa kinukuha namin yung mga mapapakinabangan pa para makain. Kasi tatapon na yan eh. Ayan, paguto muna si Ate Nora. Dance, dance. Yan, yan, to the left. Yan, kainan time. Ganyan kami pagka-dinner dito kasi stay-in kami. At ito yung pala tulugan namin. Napakaganda, napakalinis at malamig. Oh, hi Sir Rex. Extra activities nga pala na pinagawa sa amin, which is the Kratky method. At ito yung mga group ko, ang group 6. We call this team Broccoli team. Ayan po, ginagawa namin yung Kratky. Bali, ito yung progress ng buto na tinanim namin from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6, day 7, day 8, day 9, day 10, day 11, at day 12. Ito nga pala yung pahabol na microgreens ni Ma'am Andrea, kung saan pinagawa niya kami ng microgreens. Ayan po, napakaganda po niyan sa personal. Grabe, para siyang Bermuda na iba-iba kulay. Ang pangit lang kasi quality ng camera, kaya ayan, hindi nyo ma-appreciate. Bali, yun lang lahat. Okay, thanks for watching.
A few moments later. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so.